Hello everybody, it's AI Tech Think, and we're back with another video. Mother's Day is right around the corner, which means it's time to find that perfect gift to show your mom some love. But finding something thoughtful that doesn't break the bank can be tricky. Don't worry though, we've got you covered. In this video, I'm diving deep into 20 awesome Amazon finds, all under $50, that are sure to make your mom feel appreciated. First up, we're kicking things off with something personal and elegant. A personalized birthstone necklace. Customize it with birthstones of siblings, grandkids, or your own kids. Add initials to make it extra special. A meaningful piece she can wear every day. Next up, we're switching gears from personalized jewelry to something a little more sensorial. These aromatherapy shower steamers are a game changer. They're like bath bombs, but for the shower. Just pop one in the bottom of the shower, turn on the hot water, and let the magic happen. The steam activates the essential oils, transforming her shower into a spa-like experience. Eucalyptus, lavender, citrus, all those calming and invigorating scents. It's a great way to add a touch of luxury to her daily routine. Now if your mom appreciates a more hands-on approach to gifts, check this out, a Lego Wildflower bouquet. Yeah, you heard that right. Legos aren't just for kids anymore. This is perfect for the mom who loves to build and create. It's a unique and lasting alternative to traditional flowers that'll add a pop of color to any room. Plus, you can even rearrange the flowers and customize the bouquet to your liking. It's a fun and interactive gift that's sure to spark some conversation. Chapter 4, Cozy Sherpa Throw Blanket. Who doesn't love a cozy blanket? This Sherpa throw is like being wrapped in a cloud. It's incredibly soft, warm, and perfect for snuggling. It comes in many colors to match any style. Perfect as the weather cools down. A practical gift she'll appreciate. Chapter 5, Essential Oil Diffuser with Lights. Next up, we're talking ambiance. This essential oil diffuser is a 2-in-1 deal. It not only fills the room with amazing scents, but also doubles as a cool ambient light. You can choose from different light settings to create a relaxing mood, and the diffuser itself has a sleek modern design that'll look good in any room. Pair it with her favorite essential oils, and you've got a recipe for ultimate relaxation. It's a great way to help her unwind after a long day. Chapter 6, Spa Gift Basket. Okay, we're sticking with the self-care theme here, but taking it up a notch. This spa gift basket is basically a whole spa day in a box. We're talking lotions, bath bombs, shower gels, the works. It's perfect for the mom who deserves a little pampering, but might not always have the time for a full-on spa trip. This way, she can create that luxurious experience right at home. Plus, it's a gift that keeps on giving. She can enjoy all the different products long after Mother's Day is over. Now, for the mom who loves her jewelry, this handcrafted jewelry dish is a winner. It's a stylish and practical way for her to keep her rings, earrings, and other small trinkets organized. I'm all about that minimalist aesthetic, and this definitely fits the vibe. It's made with high-quality materials and has a unique design that'll add a touch of elegance to her nightstand or dresser. Plus, it's handcrafted, which adds a personal touch that you don't always get with mass-produced items. Alright, let's be real, moms are always on the go. Whether she's running errands, taking kids to practice, or just needs her morning coffee fix, this stainless steel mom tumbler is a lifesaver. It keeps beverages hot or cold for hours, so she can enjoy her drinks at the perfect temperature no matter what her day throws at her. Plus, it's spill-proof and durable, so it can withstand even the busiest of schedules. And let's not forget about the design. The mom inscription adds a personal touch that's both sweet and stylish. Sometimes the most meaningful gifts come from the heart. This Dear Mom fill-in journal is the perfect way to express your love and appreciation for everything your mom does. It's filled with prompts and questions that guide you to share your favorite memories, express your gratitude, and tell her all the reasons why she's so special. It's a gift that she'll cherish for years to come, and it's a beautiful way to strengthen your bond and create a lasting keepsake. Alright, let's talk about memories. This digital picture frame is a great way for your mom to display all those cherished family photos without having to choose just one. You can easily upload photos from your phone or computer and the frame will cycle through them, creating a slideshow of her favorite moments. It's a modern and convenient alternative to traditional picture frames, and it adds a personal touch to any room in the house. Next up, we're bringing back the cozy vibes with this scented candle gift set. This set comes with a variety of fragrances, so you can find the perfect scents to match your mom's personality and create a relaxing atmosphere in her home. Whether she prefers fresh and floral scents or warm and spicy aromas, there's a candle in this set that she'll love. Plus, the candles come in beautiful jars that can be repurposed long after the wax is gone. It's a gift that's both thoughtful and practical. A winning combination in my book. Every mom needs a reliable tote bag, and this faux leather option is both stylish and practical. It's spacious enough to carry all her essentials, whether she's headed to work, running errands, or just needs a reliable bag for everyday use. The faux leather material is durable and easy to clean, and the bag comes in a variety of colors to match her personal style. Plus, it's a versatile accessory that can be dressed up or down, making it perfect for any occasion. Chapter 13. Now this one's for the tech-savvy mom who loves her gadgets. This Bluetooth sleep mask combines comfort and functionality in a way that's honestly genius. It blocks out light for better sleep, while also featuring built-in headphones that connect to her phone or other devices. She can listen to relaxing music, guided meditations, or even audiobooks without disturbing her partner. It's a great way to help her unwind before bed and improve the quality of her sleep. Chapter 14. For the mom who loves to add a touch of greenery to her life, this Plant Mom Mug and Succulent Set is the perfect gift. It combines a cute and quirky mug with a live succulent plant that she can nurture and enjoy. The mug itself is both functional and decorative, adding a touch of personality to her morning coffee routine. Plus, caring for plants has been shown to have therapeutic benefits, so it's a gift that's good for both her mind and her home. Chapter 15. Alright, let's lighten the mood with something fun and relatable, a funny mom t-shirt. There are tons of hilarious options out there with slogans that are sure to make her laugh. Look for something that relates to her personality, her hobbies, or even just the joys and struggles of motherhood. It's a lighthearted and affordable gift that's sure to brighten her day. If you're looking for a truly unique and sentimental gift, check this out. A custom family portrait. But here's the twist, it's printable. You send in your favorite family photo, and the artist will create a stylized and personalized illustration that captures the essence of your family. You can choose from different art styles, sizes, and even add personal touches like names or a special date. Once you receive the digital file, you can print it at home or through a printing service, making it a budget-friendly option for a custom piece of art. For the mom who loves to cook, this indoor herb garden kit is a game changer. It allows her to grow fresh herbs right in her kitchen, adding flavor and freshness to all her favorite dishes. The kit typically comes with everything she needs to get started, including seeds, soil, and pots. Plus, it's a fun and rewarding project that can bring a touch of the outdoors inside, even if she doesn't have a lot of space. Sometimes a simple reminder can go a long way. This inspirational bracelet is a subtle yet powerful way to show your mom you care. Look for a bracelet with an inscription that resonates with her, whether it's a motivational quote, a word of encouragement, or a reminder of her strength and resilience. It's a piece of jewelry that she can wear every day as a source of inspiration and support. Let's be real, most moms run on coffee. This Mom Fuel coffee gift set is the perfect way to treat her to a special caffeine fix. Look for a set that includes a stylish mug and a bag of premium coffee beans or grounds. You can even find sets that include flavored syrups or other coffee accessories to complete the experience. It's a thoughtful and practical gift that any coffee-loving mom will appreciate. Alright, if you're still stumped and can't decide on the perfect gift, you can never go wrong with an Amazon eGift card. Let's be honest, who doesn't love browsing Amazon and treating themselves to something nice? This way, your mom can choose exactly what she wants, whether it's something practical, something fun, or something she's had her eye on for a while. Plus, it's super convenient. You can send it directly to her email, so there's no need to worry about shipping or wrapping. And that's a wrap on our top 20 Amazon Mother's Day gifts under $50. Hopefully this gave you some solid ideas for surprising your mom. Remember, it's the thought and effort that count. The links are in the description. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Drop a like and subscribe for more gift guides. Happy Mother's Day!